Welcome to Kohli Glow Sign, where we explore the exciting world of customized wallpaper, glass film, canvas prints, neon signs, and acrylic decor. These products are all popular ways to decorate and enhance living and working spaces, adding character, style, and interest to any room or building. Customized wallpaper is a great way to personalize a space, allowing customers to choose from a wide range of colors, patterns, and designs to create a unique and personalized look. Glass film is a versatile product that can be used for both privacy and decoration on glass surfaces such as windows and doors. Canvas prints and neon signs offer interesting visual displays, perfect for showcasing artwork or creating a retro and artistic touch to a room. Acrylic decor is a versatile material that can be shaped into various forms and colors to create unique pieces of art or decor. At Kohli Glow Sign, we understand that customization is key. That's why we offer tailored services to meet our clients' individual needs and preferences. Our team works closely with customers to create personalized and unique products that meet their exact requirements. In addition to customization, we also offer installation services to ensure a seamless and professional look for the final product. Whether you're looking to transform your home, office, or commercial space, customized wallpaper, glass film, canvas prints, neon signs, and acrylic decor are all great options. Join us as we delve deeper into each of these products and discover how they can transform your space and create memorable experiences.